transition. Destruction.
Built for power that never sleeps.
950 made flat and deep.
Coal kept the metal hot all night
While they talked of turning out the lights. Contract ends in 28. Power prices climbing straight. Canberra writes a fat blank check. 2.5 to stop the wreck. Not transition, destruction. Slow and dressed in green. 2.5 mil a job, just buying time it seems. Smelting needs the power 24/7, 365.
You can't run
Aluminium on a breeze that won't arrive. Hey, that won't arrive.
Same tale that closed the car plants down.
Holding for Toyota gone.
Billions spent till the floors went cold.
Cost of making got too bold.
Hunter waits 1,000 jobs. Turbines stand while the sun just drops. Batteries last for hours, not weeks. Fermi still comes from the fuels they leave.
Not transition, destruction. Slow and dressed in green. 2.5 mil a job, just buying time it seems. Smelter needs the power 24/7, 365.
You can't run
Aluminium on a breeze that won't arrive. Same hunger, same design.
Overseas they chase the firm.
While we pretend the wind will learn.
10 more years of taxpayer delay.
Then the argument returns one day.
Physics don't care for the press release.
It only cares the power stays. Not transition, destruction. Slow and dressed in green. Bring the baseload back. Put nuclear on the scene. Metal still needed. World won't stop its thirst.
We'll buy it from the ones who remember
Physics first. 2.5 buys time.
it don't buy a future.
Not transition.